Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you my new freebie. I have been playing around a little bit more and I've come up with another one, and I've created some embellishments to go with this one. So let's start with this one. This is the full size page, so that's the image in its entirety. Quite nice. This one here is so you've got your image on your right hand side of your page, and this one's got the image on the left hand side of the page, and this one is the full sized image printed at A5 size, so 2 to a page. And I've also created some embellishments. So we've got an envelope, a tag, a label, and on this one we've got a journaling card, some different shaped labels, a butterfly and flowers. So I'm going to cut these out. I'll cut some of them out and I'll put them together so you can see what they look like. Okay, so I've cut them all out. Now I've made 2 flowers of differing sizes. So there's 2 options. You can use them separately just as a flat embellishment. I would probably try and ink around the edges of them a little bit just to blend them in, if you're an inker, that is. And you can use them as, you know, an embellishment on a journaling card, for example, perhaps with a label or something like that. And we've got something like that. But personally, I would join these 2 together so that the petals interlace like so to make a fuller flower, and use something like that. Even though it's double layer, it's still pretty flat, and I think that once you've got your inking around the edge of it, which you'd probably have to do with a finger dobber, I think that'd stand out really nicely. So we've got a journaling card. I've only printed this on plain, like this is about 100 GSM paper, it's not cardstock. So there's 2 options. You can like print on a coffee dyed printable on the back, or you can back it onto coffee dyed paper, whatever you like, and print it onto heavier card. So we've got a journaling card. Remember, all of these things can be resized, so you can fit 2 to a page, 4 to a page, etc. We have a tag. Once again, this I've only printed on the same paper just to show you what it's like. When I come to use them, I will back them onto some probably coffee dyed cardstock. And we've got 3 different oval labels, like that. You could stamp on these, you know, add perhaps some cheesecloth or something behind them, even a lace doily or something like that. Put that on there like that, and perhaps then, you know, your flower. Probably I wouldn't put that, I'd probably just put something like that. So plenty of things to just play around with. Then I've got, so that's the 3 oval labels. Then I've got a couple of other shapes. So that's a square and a rectangle. Well, sort of a rectangle, oval I suppose. And this one's a rectangle. Just got the corners cut off. So there are 3 more labels to go with those 3 oval labels. I've got a butterfly, so you could attach that to something that would stand out nicely against the background there. And I have also included an envelope. So I've inked around this, and what I do is I just line this up. I've drawn this black line down my scoreboard, because quite often you want to score something and you're not going to be having a straight edge to line up there. So I like to use this, and I line that corner up there and this corner up with there, and I know that that's a straight line then, and score that. Rotate and do the same again. As I said, you can resize these, so you can make different sized envelopes. All the corners around it, etc., on the actual printout. Fold that over. Like so. I like it like that, so I'm going to just fold this. I'm not a fan of this piece poking up, so I will fold that if I can get my fingernail under it. What's going on here? I just put my bone folder across where they intersect. Just put a little crease there. And fold it over like so, ink it, and then stick that little piece down. Just a little bit of added thickness there. And then run a bead of glue along here, along here, along here, and along here. And stick that up. Got glue everywhere. And of course, if you wanted to have this open, you would print it on, double-side print it, or just even use a piece of your pattern paper to cut around that shape and have that there. So there we have a little envelope. Now if you print that at the size that it is on the printout, the envelope is 4 3/8 by 3 1/4. So there we go. And of course you can use these flowers and labels and things like that to decorate that as well. So that's my little freebie kit. This will be over in my Ko-fi shop now. It's available now and it's free. So pop over there and download it and play around with it. I'd love to see what you're creating with it. So if you want to show me, that would be fantastic. Just put a link in the comments in the description box below to your project, and I'll pop over and check it out. Quite looking forward actually to seeing what other people do with this paper. So there we go. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to pop over and get your freebie. There's another one on there as well, so take them both if you haven't already got the first one. And I hope you can join me for my next video. Okay, bye.